Hey guys, good morning. You can see it's 5:45 in the morning. I'm on holiday in Poland right now, and today they opened the new Lidl in the town where I'm on holiday right now, and on the offer they have of course thousands of products, but for me it's more important. They've got the Hot Wheels promotion, $6.99 per piece, so it's about £1.35. So I want to be the first one to check, and we see, maybe we find some treasure hunt, maybe super treasure hunt. Let we see what's going on. It's 15 minutes to open the store. I expect any queue, but it's no one at the moment, so we see how everything go. I let you know. Cheers.
Dzień dobry, witamy serdecznie. Jestem menadżerem sklepu 1111. Zapraszam Państwa do ponownego otwarcia po miesięcznej przerwie. Zapraszamy. Na pewno Państwo się zdziwicie. Sklep wygląda jak odmieniony. Naprawdę chyba nawet będziemy się mogli czym poświęcić jako najfajniejszy sklep w mieście. Także zapraszamy Państwa.
Yeah, Ojejku! Dziękuję ślicznie. Dziękuję. Hunting time. Okay guys, so you can see I check all this car a lot. I find a lot of nice cars, but from treasure hunt we only got the grass jumper. I find 3 of them, but 2 of them I put back to the packs, so someone else can find these cars. Hide this one there. So I take only one, and you can see a lot nice cars. I'm happy to find Ford GT. Where it is, some really nice custom cars. Chevy Nova with this incredible casting. I really like this one. Another Chevy. So a lot of cars what I don't see for different stores. So very happy days, you can see Ford GT. Good hunting.
Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at
Hey guys, so I just back from Lidl. I can show you the cars. what I buy today. I find in the basket 3 of glass chopper, so I take one. It's of course treasure hunt 2020, and 2 left in the basket for another collectors. For GT40 classic one. I really love this car. So Lancer, Chevy. This one looks as well really nice. Okay, heavy hitcher. So, and the embasser, I want to do the garage diorama model, so they be good component for this one. Of course, Panamera, another Chevy, Dodge, Porsche, and somewhere else is yes, another one, Carrera, Ford, Mazda, Ford, and HW 450F. So nice hunting, and see you in next video.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher.